Not every adventure bike needs to be a heavyweight giant. For riders over 40, comfort and control matter more than ever. In this video, we're ranking 7 of the best lightweight adventure bikes in 2025, perfect for weekend escapes, daily rides, or even your next cross-country tour. Let's start from number 7. In 7th position, we start with the Kawasaki Versys-X 300, a smart choice for riders aged 40 and above who are looking for a light, simple, and reliable adventure motorcycle for long trips and daily commutes. Equipped with a 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, this bike produces around 39 horsepower, which is powerful enough to navigate city streets, country roads, and semi-off-road trails. What's most appealing is its light weight of only about 175 kilograms, making it very easy to control even for riders who don't want to bother with big and heavy bikes anymore. The Versys-X 300 also features a high windscreen, long travel suspension, and an upright riding position that is very comfortable for the over 40s. The fuel tank has a capacity of 17 liters, enough for long-distance touring without frequent stops at the gas station. For the price, the Kawasaki Versys-X 300 is priced at around $6,199 in the US market. A reasonable value for an entry-level adventure bike with Kawasaki's signature features and durability. The Versys-X 300 is a bike that proves that adventure doesn't have to be heavy and expensive. In 6th place, we have the most talked about motorcycle in the adventure world, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. It carries the spirit of the classic Himalayan, but now comes with a new, more modern and powerful platform. Powered by a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, the Himalayan 450 produces around 40 horsepower with plenty of torque at low revs, ideal for rugged terrain and long climbs. One of the main selling points of this bike is its comfort. With ergonomics designed for long rides, Showa suspension, and dual-purpose tires of 21 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear, the Himalayan 450 can take on asphalt and gravel without compromise. The bike is also equipped with a full-color TFT screen, turn-by-turn navigation, and riding modes. Features that were previously unavailable on the Royal Enfield line. Weighing around 196 kilograms, the Himalayan 450 still feels stable but not overwhelming. It is suitable for riders aged 40 and above who want to stay active but prioritize comfort and control. As for pricing, the bike starts at $5,399, making it one of the best adventure bikes in its class with high value and iconic design. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is the answer for those who want a combination of classic adventurous spirit and modern technology. At the 5th position, we have a lightweight bike with strong off-road DNA, the Honda CRF 300L Rally. The bike is equipped with a liquid-cooled 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing around 27 horsepower, which is enough to cruise narrow roads, climbs, and light off-road trails with confidence. Despite its moderate power, the engine's character is very smooth and responsive, perfect for experienced riders who prioritize control and agility over speed. The design is directly inspired by Dakar rally bikes with a large front fairing, tall windscreen, and dual LED headlamps that make it look bold and functional. The suspension is also very capable, 10.2 inches of travel front and 10.2 inches rear, making it very comfortable for rugged terrain. It weighs only about 153 kilograms, making it one of the lightest in the adventure dual sport class. It is ideal for riders in their 40s and above who want a bike that is light, easy to control, but still has a true adventurous character. The Honda CRF 300L Rally is priced at $6,199, a reasonable price for a bike with Honda's reputation for reliability, rally look design, and true dual-purpose capability. The CRF 300L Rally is a great choice for those who want to be light, tough, and ready for adventure anytime. In 4th place, we enter the territory of high-performance adventure motorcycles in a lightweight package. This is the KTM 390 Adventure. Powered by a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with 44 horsepower, the KTM 390 Adventure has sharp acceleration and KTM's signature sporty character. It's a small bike, but make no mistake, its power can compete with even 500 cubic centimeters bikes. What makes it stand out are the advanced features that are rarely found in this class. These range from cornering ABS, traction control, riding mode, to a full-color TFT display. All this is packed into a bike that weighs just 172 kilograms, making it perfect for riders in their 40s who want a lightweight bike, but still have the thrill of high-end technology and performance. The long-travel WP Apex suspension, Dual-purpose tires and high ground clearance make the KTM 390 Adventure ready for both asphalt and light to medium off-road trails. And about the price? The KTM 390 Adventure is priced at $7,399 slightly more than its class rivals, but well worth the performance and features on offer. The KTM 390 Adventure is perfect for riders who want a lightweight adventure bike, but don't want to compromise on performance and technology. In the third position, we have a newcomer that immediately took the adventure bike world by storm, the CFMoto 450 MT. This bike comes with a 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine, with an output of around 43.6 horsepower. But what makes it special isn't just the power. It's the low torque character that is perfect for long-distance adventures and varied terrain conditions. One of the highlights of the CFMoto 450 MT is its comfort and capability. With 200 millimeters of front suspension travel, a 21-inch front tire, and an 18-inch rear tire, this bike is clearly made for true exploration, not just a fancy adventure bike. Weighing around 175 kilograms, it is ideal for riders aged 40 and above who want a powerful bike that is still light and easy to control. The riding position is upright, relaxed, and ergonomic, perfect for long distances and daily riding. In terms of features, the 450 MT is equipped with a color TFT display, USB port, and modern connectivity features that make the ride more comfortable. Price. This is the main attraction. The CFMoto 450 MT is priced from $6,499 in international markets, offering great value for the performance, features, and capabilities it offers. The CFMoto 450 MT is proof that modern, lightweight, and powerful adventure bikes don't have to come from big brands, and they don't have to be expensive. In second place, we have a bike that has been proven in harsh terrains around the world, the Yamaha Tenere 700 Explorer. This Explorer version of the Tenere 700 is a refinement of the already legendary standard model. Using the MT-07 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin CP2 engine, the bike produces around 72 horsepower, enough for fast touring on asphalt roads, and still powerful on dirt and gravel tracks. But what makes the Explorer variant different is the focus on comfort and long-distance capability. The front and rear suspensions are 20 millimeters lower than the standard version, making it more friendly to riders of medium height and easier to control for riders aged 40 and above. Plus, the bike comes with a taller touring windscreen as well as a built-in pannier bracket for carrying adventure gear. The weight hovers around 205 kilograms, but with a balanced distribution, the bike still feels light to ride. The Tenere 700 Explorer is perfect for riders who want genuine off-road performance with the comfort of long-distance touring without sacrificing reliability. For pricing, the Yamaha Tenere 700 Explorer is priced from $10,799, a fair price for a true adventure bike with a global reputation. It's not just a bike, the Tenere 700 Explorer is a true partner in unlimited travel. And in the first position in the list of the best lightweight adventure bikes for riders aged 40 and above, we have a choice that may not be widely known, but immediately steals the show, the Moto Morini XCAP 650. This bike combines elegant European design with true adventure capabilities. Powered by CFMoto's 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, similar to the one used in the Kawasaki, the XCAP 650 produces around 60 horsepower. It's smooth, has plenty of torque at lower revs, and is very friendly for long journeys and adventure novices alike. What makes the XCAP 650 stand out is its comfort and ergonomics. The upright riding position, wide and padded seat, and adjustable height windscreen make it ideal for riders in their 40s who are looking for long-term comfort. The suspension is also premium for this price class, with a 50mm Marzocchi USD front fork, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear tires, and enough ground clearance for light to medium terrain. It weighs around 213 kilograms, but the weight distribution is very stable and doesn't feel intimidating. Feature-wise, you get full-color TFT, Bosch ABS, and Brembo braking. It's a premium-looking bike at a very competitive price. The Moto Morini XCAP 650 is priced from $7,999, making it one of the most valuable adventure bikes in the middleweight class today. For riders over 40 who want to stand out, enjoy touring comfort, and still have off-road capability, the XCAP 650 is the best choice this year.